In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zotero with Obsidian for academic research. Start by opening your browser and going to github.com/rittercare/Zotero Better BibTeX/releases/latest. On that release page, go down to the Assets section and make sure you download the Better BibTeX plugin file, which is the XPI file. Once that download is finished, open the Zotero desktop app. At the top of Zotero, click Tools. From that menu, click Plugins. In some older versions, this may appear as add-ons. In the Plugins window, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, click Install Plugin from File. Now browse to the location where you saved the Better BibTeX file. Select the XPI file and click Open. Zotero will install the plugin file automatically. If Zotero asks you to restart, click Restart Now. After Zotero reopens, Better BibTeX should be active. To confirm that, click Tools again and look for Better BibTeX in the menu. Once you see that menu item, switch back to your Zotero library view so you can generate a citation key for your reference. Find your reference, right-click it, point to Better BibTeX, and then click Generate Missing BibTeX Key. After that, look to the right panel and confirm that the citation key field now shows a value. Next, switch to Obsidian so you can install the Zotero Integration plugin. In the bottom left corner of the sidebar, click the gear icon to open Settings. In the left sidebar of the Settings panel, click Community Plugins. If you see a restricted mode notice, click Turn on Community Plugins, then Confirm. After that, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. At the top of the marketplace, click into the search bar and type Zotero Integration. As the results appear, click Zotero Integration by M.G. Myers. On the plugin page, click Install. When the installation finishes, click Enable. Now configure the Zotero Integration plugin. After enabling it, click Options. You can also reach this area through Settings, then Community Plugins, then Zotero Integration, then the gear icon. At the top of the plugin settings, find the PDF utility row and click Download. Wait for that download to finish. Next, click into the Note Import Location field and type References. Scroll down to the Import Format section and click Add Import Format. In the Name field, type Literature Note. Then move to the Output Path field and enter references/open curly brace cite key close curly brace .md. In the Image Output Path field, enter references/open curly brace cite key close curly brace. In the Template File field, enter template/Zotero template.md. Once those fields are filled in, close Settings. Now you can import a reference from Zotero into Obsidian. Make sure Zotero is still running in the background. In Obsidian, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the command palette search field, type Zotero to filter the available commands. From the filtered list, select Zotero Integration, Literature Note. This matches the import format name you just created. A Zotero search bar will appear. Click into that search bar and type the title or the author of a reference from your Zotero library. As the matching results appear, click the reference you want to import. Obsidian will then create a new note in the References folder. That note will include the paper metadata and any annotations you highlighted in Zotero's PDF reader. Open the References folder and you should now see the new literature note. Inside that note, there will be YAML front matter containing the paper metadata, including the title, authors, year, cite key, and tags. The note also includes the abstract if it is available in Zotero, along with your PDF annotations and their page numbers. At this point, Zotero and Obsidian are connected and the import workflow is working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That completes the setup.